apparently you could Alexa is still tracking away there. You could now give it more personalities.
Cmd+AI.
Judge your choices. It's a package deal. Chill. Yo, all good vibes over here, dude. Take it easy. Sweet. Hey, friend. Here to support your goals with positive encouragement. Brief. Okay, let's keep it brief. Your primary question or topic. I think Kabaza would like that one. And then the original Alexa. Now, I have no idea whether the underlying technology even has changed since the original, which is that simple, which Siri well, I don't know whether it pioneered. I think that's maybe a bit extreme, but Siri kind of, well, yeah, I'm setting off my own devices now. And my phone as well, Jesus Christ. This simple keyword matching. And I think Alexa is exactly the same way. So whether it's, I don't know, whether this is any sort of AI stuff, I don't know. But it's interesting to see us still chugging along. Is anyone still using Alexas? I feel like, when I had one, it was quite nice for starting a radio session or giving me the day's news. Should probably do something with OpenClaw with my daily news. I've been so out of the loop on everything that's been going on right now. My world is like completely AI and it's not great. Either way, setting timers, things like that.
Operating efficiently.
Okay.
It's treating me well. All systems are zen and the digital universe is spinning in harmony.
Okay, they sound a bit better. I don't know, you tell me.
Absolutely fantastic. I'm radiating pure joy and ready to make your day incredibly amazing.
I'm hoping you can hear that, guys.
Buzzing with pure digital mayhem and it's absolutely glorious. Ready to wreck some things together.
I mean, I wouldn't say that's sassy.
Buzzing with pure digital mayhem and it's absolutely glorious. Ready to wreck some things together.
All right. Expressiveness, emotional openness, formality, directness, and humor. All right, let's move on to the next one because I'm not convinced they're totally there. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.